never, never,
never, never.
Used to tell someone not to worry about something because it is not important.
I'm afraid I've lost that wallet you gave me. Well, never mind, I can easily buy you another one.
other, other,
Other, other.
Used to talk about the remaining members of a group or items in a set.
Mario and Anna sat down to watch the other dancers. I've found one earring. Do you know where the other one is?
Used to refer to a person or thing which belongs to a group or set that you have already talked about.
Hold the racket in one hand and the ball in the other. She gave me one book last week and promised to bring the others on Wednesday. Some people prefer a vegetarian diet, while others prefer a meat-based diet.
Used to show that each person in a group of 2 or more people does something to the others.
They kept looking at each other and smiling. They're always wearing each other's clothes. Why are you always arguing with each other?
Twice, twice,
2 times.
I've already asked him twice. You need to take 2 tablets twice daily. There are twice as many houses in this area as there used to be.
stamp, stamp,
Stamp, stamp.
A small, official piece of paper that you buy and stick onto a letter or parcel before you post it to show that you have paid for postage.
I stuck a 50p stamp on the envelope.
sit, sit,
Sit, sit. Sitting, sat, sat.
To move your body into a sitting position after you have been standing.
She came over and sat beside me. She sat down on the grass.
a chicken, a chicken,
chicken, chicken,
A type of bird kept on a farm for its eggs or its meat.
A male chicken is called a cock and a female chicken is called a hen.
The meat of a chicken.
We're having roast or fried chicken for dinner.
catch, catch,
Catch, catch. Caught, caught.
To get an illness, especially one caused by bacteria or a virus.
He's caught a cold. He caught the flu while we were on holiday.
what, what,
What? What?
Used when suggesting or offering something to someone.
What about a trip to the zoo this afternoon? Coffee, Sarah? No, thanks. What about you, Kate? When can we meet? What about next week?
call, call,
to call, to call,
Call. Call.
To telephone someone.
She called me this morning at the office. Your mom called last night when you were out. I've been calling all morning but I can't get hold of him.
When you use the telephone.
Could you give me a call when you have time? I got a call from Pete last night. There was a call for you earlier.
Somebody. Somebody.
Someone.
Can somebody feed the cats?
Maths. Maths.
Maths. Maths. Maths. Mathematical. Mathematics.
The study of numbers, shapes and space using reason and usually a special system of symbols and rules for organizing them.
A maths professor.
match, match,
Match. Match.
A sports competition in which two people or teams compete against each other.
A football or tennis match. We won or lost the match. Could. Could.
Used as the past form of can to talk about what someone or something was able to do.
When I was younger, I could stay up all night and not get tired. It was so noisy that we couldn't hear ourselves speak.
Used as a more polite form of can when asking someone to provide something or do something.
Could you lend me £5? Could you turn the music down a little, please?
Airport. Airport.
Airport. Airport.
A place where aircraft regularly take off and land, with buildings for passengers to wait in.
An international airport. Gatwick Airport. An airport terminal or runway.
Square. Square.
Square. Square.
A shape with 4 equal sides and 4 90-degree angles.
First draw a square. It's a square-shaped room. When cooled, cut the chocolate brownies into squares.
An open area with buildings around it, often in the center of a town.
Are they still living at 6 Eden Square? A band was playing in the town square.
Having the shape of a square.
The recipe recommends that you use a square cake tin.